Hello everyone, welcome to the class of Computer Studies. Today our topic is storage devices. Open your books, unit number 4, storage devices, page number 15. Basically storage devices क्या हैं? Storage devices hold data, instruction and information for future use. स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस में हम अपना डाटा और इंस्ट्रक्शंस और इंफॉर्मेशन सेव करते हैं मुस्तकबिल में उनका यूज़ करने के लिए। आज हम 4 स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जो कि ये हैं। इनमें से कुछ के नेम तो आपको पहले से ही पता होंगे, जैसे सीडी, यूएसबी एंड मेमोरी कार्ड। और ये है हार्ड ड्राइव, सीडी, यूएसबी एंड मेमोरी कार्ड। ये क्या है? स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस। इनमें हम अपना डाटा मुस्तकिल या आर्जी तौर पर सेव करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट द रीडिंग। स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस. Storage devices hold data, instructions, and information for future use. Storage devices differs from memory as it can hold these items permanently. A storage device is the physical material on which data, instructions, and information are stored. There are different types of storage devices. Some of them are shown here. Hard drive, CD, USB, memory card. Hard drive. The primary device that computer uses in order to store information is the hard drive. Computers usually have only one hard drive. Hard disk has a very large storage capacity. We can read as well as write data on the hard disk as many times as we may need. This means the data once written on the hard disk can be modified or deleted. CD-ROM disk. Data is stored optically on a CD-ROM disk. It is a removable device. CD-ROM stands for compact disk. 650 MB of data can be stored on a single CD-ROM disk. This is equivalent to a whole set of encyclopedias. DVD, short for digital versatile disk. DVD is a type of disk drive that allows storage of large amount of data on one disk. DVD drives are widely used for storing and viewing movies and other kinds of data. बच्चों, सीडी और डीवीडी में बेसिकली क्या फ़र्क है? दिखने में तो ये सेम है, लेकिन सीडी में जो डाटा स्टोर होता है वो सिर्फ 650 MB होता है, लेकिन डीवीडी में एक लार्ज अमाउंट में हम डाटा सेव कर सकते हैं। USB flash drive. USB flash drive is also known as a pen drive and thumb drive. USB flash drive is a portable storage device. It is typically removable and rewritable device. It is often the size of a human thumb and it connects to a computer via USB port. Flash drive is an easy way to transfer and store information, and it is available in different sizes. Memory card. A memory card is used to store photos, videos, or other data in digital cameras, handheld computers, and cell phones, etc. There are different types of memory cards available in different sizes. This is end of the lesson. I hope you understand the lesson. Tomorrow we will meet again with the new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.